Hey guys, it's Jamie. I just want to show you how to do the surveillance camera, the faux surveillance camera for the new SantaCam and Elf surveillance. So you will get this graphic in the file as well. I print them out on cardstock. You can also print them out on labels, but I do find that by the time you get to the end, it's ever so slightly off. So I just printed them on cardstock, cut them down and cut them into strips so they're easier to use. So, and I'll put all the links that I have in the comments. I purchased these domed glass-like stickers. And so basically all you do is peel one off. I make sure that I try not to get my fingerprints underneath. And I line them up on the strip. And then stick it down. I do rub the back side a little bit just to kind of make sure that I don't see any air bubbles or anything like that. And that's how you do that. And then I take my 1-inch circle cutter. I take the bottom off because I want to be able to see. And I just kind of slide it in. If you can see that. And then I just center it. And cut it. And so now I have this perfect little SantaCam that will go in the middle of the ornaments. And I'm just going to glue mine down. You can Mod Podge it down or whatever you want to do. All right, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.